So this video is about LeadsLeap. These guys are one of the best free traffic sources there is. I kid you not, they've been around since 2008. So in a lot of these reading credits, people just read them and get credits, but are not interested in any of these businesses. But LeadsLeap, their business is not. It doesn't operate like that. You'll probably get 4 to 7 leads a week. I'm not a pro. The main reason for it, with major problems with our email series after the new Gmail and Yahoo updates, but we're having a new email series, a new funnel from the 1st of May. It's really evergreen. It's really congruent with the new Gmail practices. It's kind of a very simple thing as well. If you do upgrade to Pro, it's a free one, which I'll talk about in a minute, and it's roughly the same price as it was a couple of years ago. 23 bucks a month, $23 a month. It's about £20. So we didn't want to do that. Can this log in again? Right. And there's my affiliate link just to prove it kind of works. I was surprised when I logged in. Commissions, there was like $14, which I've transferred into PayPal, which will take there's some days upgrade to Pro, so it takes a couple of days or whatever. So if these ads appear on their site all the time, so there's two options. If you pay for it, you don't have to do any, you just set up the ads and that's it. So you click on one of them, open new window, that's it. Your real membership to low ticket automate to generate sales. Let's go. And then people see your ads and they click on it and they buy. And that's it. So if you pay the 20 odd bucks a month, which that guy did, username Isabel Joe, that's what they get, and you can also be paid commission for that. So if you pay for it to upgrade, you set the ads and that's it, and that's all you need to do. But if you don't want to be a pro member, a free member rather, then we'll go into that. So post credit ads for free. So I've got one here, so we can edit it. Right, so you put your URL, just take a look, and you put a catchy title, then your text, so you're allowed 25 characters and 60 characters. So I know a wee bit about ad copy, but it's the last time I had used this that there was no chat GBT, so you could, it's a miracle of the world. You can say, write me a catchy title for whatever the product is, write some text, you can say no more than 60 characters. It's so easy now. And this Udemy traffic, which I promote as an income stream, I've done a video about it. They've used like good images, so you can just use that. Choose what niche. Is it make money online? Is it marketing? Is it whatever it is? Traffic. I really should have traffic, really, in fact. And then you haven't paid for the service, so how you get credits, you have to read credits. So it's saying here that I can't get one credit. Gets you one visitor. So if I save and submit it, it's came up here. You need at least 10 credits in your account before you can submit ad for approval. So you just go to these ads here and you just read it. And you have to wait. I think it normally tells you 30 seconds. Total clicks today, and then credit 0.5. So to get one credit, you have to read two ads. And you could do this all day. There's nothing stopping you. So if you got to 100 credits, you would get 100 visits to your offer, and this is some eBay thing. So most of these excuse me, traffic exchanges are actually junk sites where you're reading credits, and then they're reading credit. They're looking at your ad to get credits, and that's all it is. Nobody ever visits the actual site, or they visit the sites, but no one really pays attention to it. It's different with LeadsLeap, how they market their business. You do get opt-ins, you do get real visitors, and even people purchasing them as well. And it says show me more links. Click on that one. I'll say here it is, surf and earn every 5 seconds. So you have to stay on the site for 5 seconds. You press it again, and then we've up to, and that's how you know you've been on the site for the required time. It'll come up with that, so pay attention to that, and then go again, whatever that is. Open link in new window. Keep an eye at this. Yeah, so that's it. So there's two options. You can read the credits, and if you get 10 credits, I think that's reading 20 ads, then you, or even in my case, will be able to post that ad. So you're allowed 10 ads. Even when you're a free member, you can do it after reading a number of ads, getting the required credits. So when I do get 10 credits, then you'll get 10 visitors to that offer, and there will be people that are looking at it most of the time. Or you can just upgrade, pay the $20 odd a month, and you don't need to read credits. You'll just set these 10 ads, and you'll get traffic. It's one of the very best traffic sources there is. I do the free traffic on Facebook, on X, but then that's kind of, in a sense, questionable. Not everyone will add you as a friend. Not everyone will read your post or click the link in your bio, but with this system, they do. So it's one of the best ones out there. So really consider taking a look at it. And if you want to see our main business, which is something great, then take a look at that also, and we'd love to see you there. Bye bye for now.